Have you ever heard that day trading is just gambling with a few extra steps? Your friends, family, even financial advisors advise against it. However, the truth is, there's a fundamental difference. Gamblers rely on luck, while successful traders rely on strategy, patterns, volume, and risk management. My name is JD. I teach struggling traders how to pass profit firm challenges and increase their overall trading performance. I do this through my free guide, Finally Funded. So if you have failed a profit firm challenge in the last 30 days, maybe, just maybe, my free guide may have a tip in there that could change everything for you, put you on the right path to finally get that first payout and finally begin to increase on the sudden. So comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you Finally Funded. When someone says day trading is just gambling, they're missing the point entirely. Gambling depends on random chance and house designed odds that work against you. Trading, on the other hand, rewards those who develop specific skills and knowledge. I mean, hey, if you want to trade in the stock market, it's going to cost you $25,000, but that's because the risk is real and also the potential is real. And yes, only a small percent of traders make consistent profits. But that's not because trading is gambling. It's because trading is a skill most people are not willing to develop. Think about professional poker players versus casual gamblers. One group consistently makes money, the other consistently loses it. Day trading isn't for everyone, and that's perfectly okay. It demands significant time commitment for market analysis and strategy development. And you need enough capital to weather inevitable losses while you're learning. Most importantly, you need the discipline to stick to your system, even when emotions try to hijack your decisions. The statistics about few traders succeeding aren't warning signs that trading doesn't work. It's evidence that most people aren't willing to put in the work required. Just like any professional skill, day trading success comes from education, practice, and refinement. What separates successful traders from gamblers is not luck, it's their approach to the market. They analyze profits, they analyze patterns, manage risks methodically, and make decisions based on evidence, not emotions. They view losses as a learning opportunity rather than bad luck. They understand that consistency trumps occasional big wins. The gambling mentality says, I hope this works, while the trader mentality asks, what does the data suggest will happen next? The market doesn't care if you treat trading like gambling or like a business, but your bank account certainly will.
Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So welcome to this chart lesson. Today is actually August 13th, 2025. So we're going to read the chart up into the open and then see if we can get, hey, a trade at the open will always be awesome. But we're going to analyze the chart right now to see how I will prepare for a trade today. So let's check it out. So session opened right here. I had a key entry point going across at price of 64.70. And we played around on this level through the night. You know, you could have drawn a small range through here at some point. Something like this. All right, this would have been your range. Look at the EMA. Anytime the EMA is looking like a roller coaster, draw the range immediately so that you could do this, catch the breakout. So here's a breakout. Here's the pullback, testing this area. This is the first trade of the day. There, if you don't go there, you can go here, but that is a breakout pullback, and it's a rally, base rally. Look at this. That's leg one. That's leg two of the rally, base rally. And I mean, it made it. It didn't make it all in one leg, but it did. We did hit that target. So man, that's two legs up. All right. So that's what we have going on, but look how prices are staying above the 21 EMA. So we are currently what? In an uptrend. It's an uptrend. I don't have to guess about it. I don't have to look at no indicators for this. You know, I don't have to. We're in an uptrend. If prices are above the 21 EMA, it's an uptrend. If it's under the 21 EMA, it's a downtrend. If it's a roller coaster, it's a range, people. All right, so we're above. First of all, we're above my key entry point, so that tells me go long. Then we're above the 20, we're straight above the 21 EMA, so that tells me we're trending, go long. All right, so now I need a price action setup to happen somewhere near a key entry point, which is going to be the 21 EMA. So let's set up a key entry point, get it all worked out, and then see if we get a trade off of it. So if I was going to look for a key entry point in this situation, I don't need this range. That's already worked out. So we need a channel now because we are clearly trending. So I like to go from a body, well, actually a stem. I like to go from a stem through a body. So I would do something like this to this top here. And if I'm parallel with the 21 EMA, I know I'm cooking. We are, look at 21 EMA and look at my channel, nearly parallel. All right. This could be a pretty decent uptrend, people. I'm expecting us to get, the market opens in 10 minutes. No, market opens in 5 minutes. What's the market open? Yeah, it's gonna be open in about 5 minutes. Man, I'm looking for something off of this 21 EMA, this key entry point, to go long. We'll see if we get it. All right, guys, so, hey, it's looking like the rally is on. We slightly going higher, 21 EMA, great angle, channel, great angle. So we'll see what we get here at the open. We open up, see if we're gonna keep trucking or what's gonna happen here. I can see a strong trend day. I mean, I'm with it. I'm up for a strong trend day. I love strong trend days. Any strong trend day, I'll take. I mean, if we can get a strong trend day here, you know, these bars get real little and can't hardly pull back at all. A little strong trend day, won't be mad at all. All right, favorite time of the day. Let's count it down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Game time. All right, little pullback. That's expected. That was to the EMA. Let's see what we get here.
Order submitted.
Okay, we break higher. All right, that's my first entry. All right, even that little break higher though made the first entry. Now I want to see if we're gonna pause. Right here, this is confluence, push up. We gotta see if the 21 EMA holds here, or if we finna break out. We gotta see what happens. We got a break. Gotta be careful now. Unless we come back real strong. All right, that's a decent real strong, but I'm gonna wait now. I need a whole pattern. I need a whole second entry low. All right, now we cooking. Now we cooking. So we have a leg back at this point. You can clearly see we try to come lower. That's a clear leg back. So you really, in this case, we kind of want to come up, see another attempt lower. Then we know we good. Like here. Now if I get a wifey, I gotta go on a wifey.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. We're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna put my stop under the swing. And we're expecting we're gonna go up second leg here. And uptrend continue, strong trend day. There we go, strong trend.
Stop filled.
Good deal. So on that trade, I actually only needed a couple points today, and so that was a goal that I had to reach. So I wasn't actually going for my 4-point target, or I could have just stayed back and I would have got it. But hey, great trade. Waited for something off the key entry point, right off of the channel, just like we expected, right? And we got a quick win. All right, so that's how you read the price action on that one. And that was the result. So hey, if you've been struggling to pass your prop firm challenge, please comment below. Give me the guide. I'll send you Finally Funded. It's the guide that's helping struggling traders finally pass their prop firm challenge and get to that first check. All right, so that'll be chart lesson for today. I greatly appreciate you. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.